Hello class 8 students, how are you? You are fine? Okay, I am also fine students. So students, due to corona disease, everyone students are studying from homes and teachers are available in the school for making the videos for use. Okay, so doesn't matter of these things, but in the electronic and modern time we are connected to each other by a network. Okay, so students, today for class 8 students in computer subject, chapter 2, the name of chapter is list in HTML. I am going to teach here. Students, our topic is today image in HTML. Image in HTML. Students, firstly I want to ask you what is HTML? What is HTML and why we use it? There are two questions firstly you just give me. Because in the 7th class, the last chapters are totally depends this HTML section. You know, na? Yes. So last class is depend totally on this section. Then you just told me what is HTML. So answer of this question is HTML firstly stands for hypertext markup language. HTML stands for hypertext markup language. HTML stands for hypertext markup language. This language in which HTML and this language is used to widely used. We use HTML language for web page creation. Web page, you know, those pictures you now time seeing in any application, that one web page are created by this HTML language. Because without HTML language, no one web page is created. So we use HTML language for creating the web pages. So both two questions answers clear? Yes or no? Clear or not? HTML stands for hypertext markup language, and why we use it? We use hypertext markup language for creating web pages. Okay, friends. Come on, our topic. Oh, here is one thing I forget. One day I asked to you, send me how to create a HTML document. Send me how to create a HTML document. On their maximum students are doing some wrongs and maximum students are doing well. I think 60% are doing well and 40% students are doing wrong. The structure of HTML document. Structure of HTML document. Students, firstly you know if you need to type the HTML codes, then you just use which application? You just use Notepad. Which one application you use? Notepad. When you are using the Notepad, then automatically this type of pictures is open on your screen. Where what is mentioned? On there mentioned untitled untitled notepad, and here is Windows control button, and here is close. So for starting the HTML code, first you write the HTML tag. Oh, here is the question. What is tag? What is tag? Tag is a command, those are separate in angular bracket. This one, this is angular bracket, and this is your command. So tag is a command, those are separate in angular bracket. And tag are two types. How many types of tag? Two types. First, empty. Second, container. First, empty tag. Second, container tag. Empty tag is no need to close. No need to close. But container tag is starting point, and after that ending point. When you not mention the starting and ending, that one is not completed. So container tag have both starting point and ending point, but empty tag have only starting. Students, when you just write the HTML structure, then HTML, after that head, after that title you mention, then you just write myself. Everyone students are right on that time, and maximum students are type the wrong spelling of title. Title is spelled T-I-T-L-E, and give your subject, and after that close. Close it with this type of arrow, backslash. After that close the head and open the body, and in the body you write myself, Aman. Okay, close the body, and after that close the HTML. This is the structure. Okay, here to here for identify the heading, and here is the body. What matters show on the screen. This one matters only the header bar, but this one matters is where? In the page, web pages. So students, this is the structure of the HTML. Now you just see here how you just insert the image. When you need to insert the image, then you use the img tag, and img tag have some attributes. एट्रीब्यूट्स का मतलब ये होता है कि img टैग के साथ इन सबों का यूज करके आप अपना वर्क करेंगे, अगर आपको इन सभी चीजों की आवश्यकता होती है. इफ यू नीड टू ऐड सम एक्स्ट्रा एक्टिविटीज देन यू जस्ट डू दिस. ओके, नाउ यू सी हियर in this HTML file we need to show my picture. अपना फोटो आप दिखाना चाहते हैं. Okay, my picture. Then in the body you just use img again src source, give the equal sign, put the inverted commas, and type the name of picture. Suppose that your picture name is image, then you type the image, and after that put the dot symbol and write jpg, close the inverted comma and close the tab. Automatically that picture is shown on your computer desktop screen, not when you open the web pages. And when you need to save it, then use this thing, file name. After that, suppose that file name is ram, then put html. After that, when you not put .html extension is not put, then this one picture is saved on text file, not in web pages. So first is clear, source width. suppose that you need to show the size of it is 80%, then this one picture size width, इस पिक्चर का जो इमेज नाम की पिक्चर है इसका विड्थ जो चौड़ाई क्या हो जाएगा वो 80 हो जाएगा. ओके. If you need to increase the height, then you put height attributes and write 100%. तो उसकी हाइट क्या हो जाएगी 100% हो जाएगी. ठीक है. तो टुडेज का सेशन यही था कि इमेज कैसे इंसर्ट करें. इमेज इंसर्ट करने के लिए img टैग का यूज किया जाता है, उसके साथ सोर्स लगाया जाता है src, फिर उसके बाद इमेज एक इक्वल बटन दबाया जाता है, डॉटेड कॉमा लगाया जाता है, इमेज का नाम लिख के .jpg लिख दिया जाता है, इमेज क्लोज कर दी जाती है और जो साइज उसका रखना है विड्थ और हाइट वो रखकर आप इस फाइल को सेव कराएंगे .html एक्सटेंशन में. फिर उसके बाद से इसको आप जब ओपन करेंगे तो आपको आपकी फाइल HTML वेब पेज दिखेगा. So students, here is complete the structure of HTML, what is tags and how you just insert the image in web pages. Okay, so have a nice day for this, and after this completing we are going to solving the exercise. Okay, goodbye. जय. क्या मिनट का हुआ भाई? 11 मिनट 30 सेकंड.